can you please explain what it means to be in samadhi? When we put Vaishnava in samadhi,
What is the meaning of
samadhi?
yes,
Samadhi. Samadhi. Dhi means
Dhi means your heart. Did you listen or not?
Yes, we can hear you, Gurudev.
Understand what is the meaning of samadhi? Samadhi, samadhi, and that means one's heart and mind completely absorbed to serve his Ishta Deva. That is called perfect meaning of samadhi. Suddha Vaishnav, and they enter to serve his Ishta Deva and direct serve to divine couple Radha and Krishna. L.A. Raghunath Das Goswami explained Tammula Arpana Pada Mardana Payodana Avisaradevi Bindarana Mahasen Prana Prishta Sikila Sankochita Bhumika Rupa Manjuri Tadasika Aham Sangsrayami. And in this verse, Raghunath Das Goswami very clearly explained how to serve Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. And because where the Radha and Krishna, they performed very confidential place, Nivrita Nikunja place, then only the Manjaris, they can serve in there. Their service that is called Tambula Arpana, offering betel nuts and offering water and different kinds of service. So Tambula Arpana, Pada Mardana, massaging the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika, and this is called the confidential service. So that means one who completely absorbs to serve his Samini, and body, mind and speech to serve his Samini Ishtadev. That is called Samadhi. And two kinds of Samadhi. Impartially Samadhi, they are Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Devotees, they are called the Savikalpa Samadhi. And so our Vaishnava philosophy that this is their Savikalpa Samadhi means how our mind, body complete and absorbed to worship the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika under guidance of Upamanjari. Raghunath Swami, he quoted in his unprecedented book, Vilap Kusumanjali, and Sirupa Manjari Kararjita Pada Padma, Goshandana Bhajar Vidakaya, Ha Madhata Kanaka Gauri, Palarvin, Sanbyani, Sanako Istavakim, Karisi. Once Radha and Krishna, they performed sweet Leela. Then Srimati Radhika, she retired. She was sitting on the lap of Krishna, and Krishna also caressing her hair. And her then Rupa Manjari, she was massaging the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Then Raghunath Das Goswami, with a transcendental vision, very humble, he is asking, "Hey Rupa Manjari, please give me this service, seva." And so this is called actually Samadhi means this is called Savikalpa Samadhi. And Savikalpa Samadhi. Savikalpa means direct to serve his Istadeva and remembering different also pastimes this way. And because our Raghunath Das Goswami explaining Vilap Kusumanjali, how to serve this reason. And साधने करिवे जहा सिद्धि पाइबे ताहा केवल मात्र पक्क अपक्क विचार. In our sadhan stage, if not to practicing these types of service, so when you will enter in the transcendental world, how to serve there. For this regard, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, not the Thakur, Prem Bhakti Chandrika explained, sadhane bhavive jaha siddhite paive taha keval matra pakka apakka vichar. Pakka apakka vichar, the consideration about mature and immature. And so those who are advanced devotee, so those who are advanced devotee, when the chanting holy names, servicing Guru and Vaishnava, then his mind remembering these things. Rupa Goswami Pad also explained, Tannama Rupa Charitadi, Sukrita Nanu Smritu, Kamenam Rasana, Monachi Nijadu, Tistan Braji, Tadanuragi, Jananugami, Kalangnae, Akilam Ittopadi, Salsaram. Those are pure devotee of Lord, chanting holy names, but his mind completely absorbed. Samadhi. Eh? Understand? Samadhi, samadhi, samadhi. His body, mind, and completely absorbed to serve his Istadeva, Srimati Radhika. And how to servicing Istadev is the under guidance of Rupa Manjari. Rupa Manjari Anugatta Seva. Sirupa Manjari Karar Chita Pad Padma Goshtandana Bhujarpita Mastakaya. Ha Mudita Kanaka Gori Padar Vindam Sanvahani Sanakistava Kim Karishe. This is called the servicial mode. The external body. Sadhaka de sadhaka rupena siddha rupena cha atrahi. In sadhak body, he chanting holy names, external doing other things, but his transcendental body, that is called siddha deha, and servicing Ishtadev. For this regard, Raghunath Das Narottam Das Thakur also explained this song also. Now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Raghunath Das Goswami in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Mane Mane Siddha Deha Koriya Bhavan Ratri Dine Radha Krishna Karahe Sevan. Those who are advanced devotees, external chanting holy names, servicing Guru and Vaishnavas, but his mind completely absorbed to serve Srimati Radhika. So that is called the Samadhi. Sammak Rupena Dhi Mana Deha Atma, that is called Samadhi. And then he is absorbed to service with transcendental body, that is called Samadhi. External people are thinking, oh, put in the whole and offering this Samadhi. Actual Samadhi means I'll be completely absorbed in his transcendental body, and that is called Siddha Deha, and remembering and servicing his Istadeva. Thank you, Hare Krishna. Jai Shri Gurudev ki jai. If you have any other question, you can ask. Always finish. And so always remember, sadhaka rupena, siddha rupena chatrahe. And braja loka anusarataha. Braja loka anusarataha. And you have to serve your Ishtadev, Brajavasi, as like Brajavasis, how they completely absorb to serve different Radha and Krishna. And Brajavasi means he is wherever. That is called Nanda, Jasoda, Subal, Sridham, Srimati, Radhika, Gopis, they are called Brajavasi. And so this Sadhaka Rupena, Siddha Rupena, Chatre, Braja Loka Anusarataha. Braja Loka Anusarataha. How Brajavasis, they absorb to service to divine Radha and Krishna. So I believe Kirtan Maharaj, he also entered in Aparanna Kalin Leela, because he departed from Korea about 4:30 to 5:30, so he must enter. And this was when Krishna herding the return back to herding the cow grazing, and then gopis, they have to also eager to take darshan to Krishna. This thing also Gopi Geet explained. Atati jad bhavan annikanan truti jugayate tam pashyatam kutila kuntalang srimukanchate jada udrikchatang pakshake drisam. This is also explained in Gopi Geet. When Krishna returned herding the cows, and that time how gopis they absorbed to their darshan to Krishna. So different and our acharyas and how they absorbed and the seva and Jai Shri Gurudev ki jai, Nishinadev ki jai, jai Sri Ram. Gur Premanandi Hari Hari. And Gurudev entered in Nishanta Lila, different, and Gurudev also took Samadhi, his Nishanta Lila. And when Gurudev departed, that time was about 3 a.m. early in the morning. So Gurudev entered in Nishanta Lila. Different acharyas, they enter in the service the Istadeva. This is their speciality also. So I believe that Maharaj enter in this Leela